Ready to see what everyone's raving about? These crazy Amazon home gadgets are taking everyday living to a whole new level, making chores faster, spaces smarter, and your home way more fun to be in. You won't believe how clever some of these are. All the links are waiting for you in the description below. Movie night just got an upgrade that fits in your pocket. This mini projector unfolds into a full entertainment experience wherever you are. Bedroom wall, backyard, or even a tent. It sets up in seconds with a built-in stand and instantly mirrors your phone or laptop. No Wi-Fi needed. The zero-lag autofocus keeps your screen crystal clear at all times. Compact, stylish, and ready for big screen fun anytime you are. This futuristic toilet takes comfort and hygiene to the next level. With its sleek, egg-shaped design, it automatically opens, flushes, and even warms the seat for a luxurious experience every time. The foot flush adds a hands-free touch that's both convenient and hygienic, while the warm air dryer finishes things off perfectly. It's a smart upgrade that turns your bathroom into a spa-level experience. Perfect coffee starts with perfect precision. This smart digital scale helps you master every brew by showing not just weight, but also water flow rate and timing. You can easily switch between ounces and grams, making it great for baking or cooking too. The backlit display is clear and easy to read, even early in the morning. With a waterproof surface and rechargeable battery, it's built to handle everyday spills and long coffee sessions alike. Now here's a concept that completely redefines relaxation: giant animal loungers. Picture oversized, open-mouthed animal pods designed for humans to crawl inside and unwind. Each one's shaped like a bear, lion, or whale, lined with soft faux fur, memory foam, and ambient lighting. Inside, there's even a built-in smart TV. It's not just furniture, it's a cozy, immersive escape that turns lounging into a full-on experience. Work, eat, or relax right from your bed with this electric overbed table. It glides smoothly on wheels and adjusts in height at the touch of a button, giving you the perfect setup without lifting a finger. Use it for your laptop, meals, or reading. It's sturdy enough to hold it all. The steel frame keeps it stable, and the wide tabletop gives you plenty of room to spread out. A true game changer for comfort and convenience at home or in care settings. Turn any wall into a living light show. These smart LED light bars sync with your music, games, and even your screen to fill your space with vibrant color and motion. You can design your own patterns, stick them up easily with adhesive mounts, and control everything by voice or app. With millions of color options, you can go from chill vibes to party mode in seconds. It's creativity, mood, and tech all rolled into one glowing setup. Tired of outlets hidden behind furniture? This clever rotating extender brings the power right to you. It stretches out to reach under beds or behind couches and swivels 180 degrees so you can plug in from any angle. You get 2 AC outlets, plus USB-A and USB-C ports for all your devices. There's even a built-in phone stand for hands-free charging. Safe, flexible, and super easy to install. No tools needed. Walk into any room and the light greets you automatically. This motion sensor socket detects movement instantly, switching your bulb on and off without a touch. It even knows the difference between day and night to save energy when you don't need extra light. You can adjust the brightness sensitivity and delay time to fit your space. Perfect for stairways, garages, or closets, smart lighting made simple. If your kid's plush collection has taken over the room, This clever storage tube is the perfect fix. It stands tall, taking up hardly any floor space while holding a ton of stuffed animals inside. The clear design lets you and your child easily spot favorite toys without digging through piles. Each end seals tightly to keep dust out. It's fun, tidy, and makes any playroom look instantly organized. Dinner just got a whole lot easier. This expandable Lazy Susan brings every dish within reach, no matter how long your table is. It spins smoothly so everyone can grab what they want without asking for a pass. Heat-resistant trays handle hot dishes, and the non-slip surface keeps everything steady. Setup takes just minutes, and cleanup is a breeze. Perfect for family meals, parties, and effortless entertaining. Hosting overnight guests just got so much easier. This self-inflating air mattress unfolds on its own frame and sets itself up in minutes, no effort required. It automatically adjusts firmness levels for the perfect night's sleep, and even maintains air pressure through the night so it never deflates. When morning comes, it folds neatly into its wheeled case, ready to roll away until the next visit. If you're tired of lifting heavy water jugs or waiting on a slow dispenser, this smart electric pump is a total game changer. It sits neatly on your desk or counter, automatically dispensing just the amount of water you choose with a single tap. The rechargeable battery lasts for days, and its sleek, quiet design makes it perfect for home, office, or even bedside use. Hydration made effortless. Running short on space but still need to keep clothes crisp? This foldable tabletop ironing board is a lifesaver. It folds completely in half, fits neatly on a shelf or wall hook, and even has a built-in spot for your iron. The surface stays dry and smooth for easy ironing, and setup takes seconds. Perfect for small apartments, laundry corners, or quick touch-ups before heading out. If you've ever wished your plants could tell you how they feel, this interactive planter makes that happen. It gives your plant a personality with expressive reactions and gentle reminders when it's thirsty. The built-in smart watering system keeps everything perfectly balanced, so you don't have to guess. It's part decor, part companion, bringing a fun, futuristic twist to caring for your favorite greenery. Bring calm to your space in the most mesmerizing way. This raining cloud diffuser combines gentle water drops, soft mist, and soothing lights to help you unwind after a long day. It fills the air with your favorite essential oils while adding just the right touch of humidity. The gentle water sounds mimic a peaceful rain, melting away stress. Cordless and rechargeable, you can place it anywhere serenity is needed. There's something charming about a classic ding when the door opens. This wooden magnetic bell brings that nostalgic touch right to your home or shop. Made with smooth wood and brass, it gives a soft, cheerful sound that greets you every time the door moves. You can stick it on any surface in seconds, no tools needed. It's simple, stylish, and adds warmth to any space instantly. Waking up doesn't have to feel like a shock. This smart alarm clock mimics a gentle sunrise, easing you out of sleep naturally. At night, it transforms into a calming sound machine that plays soft, nature-inspired tones to help you drift off faster. The dimmable display keeps your room dark and cozy. With simple touch controls, you can create the perfect sleep and wake routine. No phone needed. Imagine getting a front row seat to nature every day. This smart bird feeder comes with a built-in HD camera that streams live footage straight to your phone. It even recognizes bird species using AI, so you'll know exactly who's visiting. The solar panel keeps it running without constant charging, and motion alerts let you know when guests arrive. Rain or shine, it's bird watching made effortless and fun. Pet hair on your clothes again? This reusable lint roller has you covered. Its soft, sticky gel surface grabs lint, dust, and fur in seconds. No tearing through endless sticky sheets. When it's full, just rinse it underwater and it's good as new. Compact and travel-friendly, it fits easily in your bag or car. Simple, eco-friendly, and always ready when you need a quick cleanup. Bring your favorite memories to life right before your eyes. This smart digital photo frame lets you send pictures straight from your phone to its bright, full-color display. No apps or SD cards needed. It's simple to set up and even easier to use, making it perfect for parents or grandparents. The touchscreen makes browsing a joy, and every new photo feels like a little surprise waiting to be discovered. Step into another dimension with this mesmerizing infinity mirror light. Its dodecahedron design creates an endless tunnel of colors that transform any room into a futuristic space. Sync it to your music or games and watch the lights dance in rhythm for an immersive experience. You can adjust brightness and effects to match your vibe. Perfect for gaming setups, parties, or anyone who loves bold, glowing art. Now imagine a recliner that looks straight out of a futuristic cat cafe, a smart cat-shaped recliner chair. Designed to resemble a sleek, lounging feline, this chair isn't just adorable, it's intelligent. Hidden inside its curvy armrests are mini fridges for snacks and drinks, with touch controls built into the paw-shaped armrests. It purrs with comfort, blending smart tech and cozy design into one playful, high-tech lounging experience. Charging has never looked this good. This elegant leather tray doubles as a multi-device wireless charger, keeping your phone, earbuds, and daily essentials perfectly organized. Just place your MagSafe phone down and it snaps into position for fast, cable-free charging. The smooth Italian leather surface adds a touch of luxury to your nightstand or desk. Its tech meets timeless design in one beautiful piece. This leather charging tray is where style meets function. It powers up your phone, earbuds, and more, all while keeping your essentials neatly organized in one sleek spot. The magnetic pad makes charging effortless, and the premium Italian leather gives it a refined, timeless look. Perfect for a nightstand or entryway, it's a clutter-free way to keep your tech and everyday items ready to go. This one's for the book lovers. It looks like a simple wooden notebook until you open it, and it glows like magic. The foldable book lamp creates a warm, ambient light that unfolds in any shape you like, thanks to its 360-degree design. USB rechargeable and beautifully crafted, it's the kind of cozy bedside light that turns reading time into pure relaxation.